Welcome, IELTS aspirants. Want to know the secret behind high scorers? They integrate IELTS skills into their daily life. Let's dive into how you can do the same. When writing emails or reports at work, adopt the IELTS Writing Task 1 approach. Describe data and trends as you would in an academic graph. It sharpens your analytical writing and makes your professional communication stand out. And in meetings, when presenting data or discussing plans, use the clarity and structure of IELTS speaking techniques. Be clear, logical, and articulate. This is your real-world IELTS practice. For listening, immerse yourself in English podcasts, news, or movies. It's about tuning your ears to different accents and styles, just like in the IELTS test. Reading practice, integrate it into your routine. Scan articles for specific information and skim for the main idea. Every bit of reading is a step closer to IELTS success. Remember, IELTS is more than a test. It's a skill set for life. Apply these techniques in your daily activities, and you're on your way to achieving like a top scorer. Hit subscribe for more pro tips on mastering IELTS. Need personal one-on-one help? You can go to verbaling.com/teachers/Marie and check out over 5,000 comments from students.